Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today we'll be learning how to keep the screen on TradingView, and I'll start it right in. Now, to keep the screen on your TradingView app, first open up the TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, you'll land on this interface where you can see the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the menu icon, and you land over here on this interface where you can see the settings button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings button. Now this guy is over here where it says the keep screen on. Tap on it and your screen will not turn off when you put your phone as it is or somewhere while you do your work, and you will still be able to see your charts perfectly, or your screen will not turn off. And this is how you can keep your screen on your TradingView app while viewing your charts. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.